Hi, welcome to everybody to our new session that is about to Microsoft Word. In this complete series of Microsoft Word tutorial, we will go through from fundamentals to the advanced topic of MS Word. We will try to learn how we can create different paragraph formatting, how we can create different templates using Microsoft Word, and other complicated features such as bullets, numberings, and table of contents, how we can create table of contents using Microsoft Word. But in today's session, we are only going to explore the basic interface of MS Word using the Microsoft Word 2013. So without wasting any time, go to the start menu, type here Word or MS Word. MS Word will be listed here. Click on MS Word to launch the Microsoft Word software. The Microsoft Word is launching successfully. Okay, maximize the window. Now we are going to explore the features of the splash screen, that is also called the home screen of the Microsoft Word. Here are the fundamental features that are available in Microsoft Word. We can see here is a list of templates that are built-in templates available for you to use it for your documentation. Basically, Microsoft Word is a full-featured word processor that is used for the typography and word processing. Here I would like to clear you that the Microsoft Word is a full-featured. Word processing is a concept that is used for the word processors, a method or technique by which we can type, we can write contents with the help of any software is called word processing. A simple word processor provide basic fundamental features such as editing, writing documents, etc. And the full-featured word processor also provides some additional feature that we will learn or go through time by time within our Microsoft Word tutorial. Okay, so let's start or begin using these templates. We can use any of these templates from the home screen of Microsoft Word. There are the number of templates. If you think about that, that we have not find required templates here, we can also find the required template by using search bar or by using the tabs. Here are the available tabs for the business, education, etc. We can clearly see here that these are the tabs that can be used to find out the required result or required format of the Microsoft Word. Okay, we can start here to find the, let's suppose we are we want to explore some kind of templates relevant to your education. We will write here education. The educational templates will be listed here. We can go through these templates and use any of these templates. Let's suppose we are going to select this template. This is a such like of example of template that will be used for the admission purpose. We can also view the other templates available here by clicking on the navigation buttons. Here I would like to zoom it. This is the template model. We can download it. Here is the mentioned size. Its size is approximately 48 kilobyte. We will have to just click on the create button. The required template will be downloaded and saved on our home screen as the other templates are showing. Okay, let's start by clicking on the new document. We are going to the empty templates so that we are only required to explore the user interface of Microsoft Word. Okay, the first and topmost bar is called quick access toolbar. Here we can see there is the buttons, Microsoft Word icon, save, undo and redo buttons that are used as known as quick access toolbars. These are the quick access toolbars that are frequently used by the typewriters or typographers for the undo and redo manipulations. After this, we have to look at these menu bar. This is called menu bar that is frequently used for the formatting manipulation of the document. This is also called ribbon menu bar. Here are multiple ribbons available here. We can see here this is the insert ribbon, this is the design, this is the page layout, this is the references. Here on the home screen, if we click on these are also called tabs. These are the menu ribbons on which this is called tabs. Here first one is the identified by the arrow vector. Other ones are insert, design, layout, references, mailing, review and view. These are the tabs. Each and every tab contains a group of menus. Basically this is the group of menu and this is called menu dialog bar. or dialog launcher. If we click on this will open a certain kind of dialog that will also provide some extra features relevant to these menus. This will include some extra features that will be relevant to the particular menu or menu group. Okay, click on particular type of menu and explore these other menus items that are available in particular menu. Each and every menu ribbon contains multiple toolbars. These toolbars are grouped together to show the particular formatting or manipulation of the document. We can see here, if we try to explore this one, we can see here this is the clipboard group menu, and other that this is the formatting group menu that will be used for the formatting of paragraph. Here is the font specification, font name specification. These are the font style specification such as bold, italic, underline, subscript, superscript. This is the font size specification, and here we can find some other color attributes of the document text. This text may be heading text or the paragraph text, and later on we can view these are the paragraph formatting relevant to the alignment and indentation. These tools provide much more help to indent the paragraph from left to right, and an important tool here is also available that is not frequently used by the word processors, typewriters. This is called paragraph tool. Paragraph tool is used to identify each and every paragraph incorporating in the document or written in the document. And an important tool I would like to told you here is this is the line spacing toolbar. This is also used frequently. Okay, the home toolbar is, I think, much more explored or discussed here. We are going to the other elements of the Microsoft Word document. This is called zoom area or zoom tool. We have to zoom the zoom area tool. We can zoom our document to up to any percentage. We can minimize the document size or maximize using this toolbar. And other thing is the important tool is called status bar. This is the bottommost area of Microsoft Word. This is called status bar. Status bar is used to display the current status of the document. Similarly, if we write here IT tips programming, we can minutely see here this status bar is showing the current status of the document. It is telling that there are the 3 words and pages. We are using the current first page out of 1 page. The document contains completely 1 page, and out of these 1 page we are on the current first page. Okay, now this is called the document window or document area, the entire window in which we will write the text. This is called document area. I would like to highlight this document area. This is called the document area on which we will write something, or we will format, or we can insert any kind of graphics such as vectors or image or pictures here. This is called document area. These are the called zoom controls, and aside these zoom controls we can see here the view controls. This is also called view toolbar. This is the web layout, this is the print layout, and this is the read mode. If we click on the read mode, the images and text will be aligned as per requirement. Okay, the next one important is the rulers. We can see here the rulers are displaying on the top and left side of the document. This is called top ruler, and here we can see this is called left ruler. What is the purpose of these rulers? We can set the margins and indentation, margins of the paragraph and indentation of the paragraphs using these rulers. Rulers are normally used to set the margins of the paragraph, and in frequent practice we also use these rulers to indent our paragraphs. Okay, I would like to show you how these margins or rulers. I am try to zoom this document using the touchpad. We can use the gestures of 2 fingers on the touchpad to zoom the document. Here the indentation, these are the indentation tools. We can see here these are 2 indentation tools. We can indent our first line, second line and paragraph accumulatively using these indentation tools. I am going to indent my paragraph using this indentation tool. We can see here this paragraph is indenting using this indent tool. This is the indent modifier that is used to modify the indentation. Similarly, if we have more than 1 lines to the paragraph, we can use the other line indent tool, and we can also set the other indents markers. If we click on the ruler, there will be the set marker for the indent or the tabs. Okay, the last one is the active window control toolbar. This is called active window control toolbar. I would like to highlight this active window control toolbar. This is the active window control toolbar where we have the close document, maximize or minimize window. Here is the help icon. Here is the sign in option. We can also sign in using our Microsoft account to the Microsoft Word. Okay. These rulers also play an important role for the document manipulation. The other tools or menus will be explored later on in detail how we can use these tools. Okay, now at the end we are going to summarize the each and every topic that we have already discussed. This is the complete session about Microsoft Word, in which we have discussed here the fundamental tools and the options available for the formatting of the Microsoft Word document, as well as we have also explored some important features of the Microsoft Word that include the status bar, control button, control menu and control active window menus. Here we have also explored the quick launch bar. We have also see the what is the purpose of the status bar and what is the purpose of these view buttons, and what is meant by the group menu, menu ribbons and group toolbars and group toolbar dialog box. For later on, click on the subscribe button and continue with us in the entire journey of learning Microsoft Word in detail. We will go through the in-depth of different topics that will be covered later on. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.